Hello, today I've got for you this motorhome Van Ti Plus from Knaus. It's the 650 MEG version. It's on an MAN basis, 7 meters long, 220 centimeters in width, 290 centimeters high. And let's have a look inside. So you see that the step is out, there's another big step, and then we're in. So this motorhome dates to the year 2000, and I do tell you to get nearly new vehicles from reputable dealers. So this is a nearly new vehicle which I'm now showing you. And right, so let's start off at the front. So there's no table here, but as you may have noticed, the table's been put at the back and it's currently lying on the bed. Why not? It has to lie somewhere. This is, I think, the very first version that Knaus used on an MAN basis. I was at an event that was held in southeastern Bavaria in June 2019, and people from MAN were also there, and this was shown there for the first time. Now for this today, now we're looking for this one, 3 years old, 80,000 euros nearly. We'll have a look at this information as and when we go out. A new one of these, you'd be looking at around about 115,000, something like that. It's very difficult actually to compare, because you always have to compare like to like, and unless you're comparing like to like, then it doesn't really make much sense. Obviously the equipment levels are different from each individual vehicle. So you have little bits sort of additionally put on, such as this thing here, which was done by the previous owner. This has got around 20,000 on the clock, 20,000 kilometers that is. And it also comes with satellite television amongst other things. So we've got this German layout at the back. We've got these wardrobes can be opened by lifting up there, and if you can't be bothered to lift up in that direction, then you can open up by down here, and there's a light inside which comes on. If I bring it the other side, you'll notice you've got exactly the same here as well, only that wardrobe seems to be a bit bigger than the one on the other side. And storage at the back as well, as you'd expect. There's also a plug and a remote control for the telly, and they put a television there. Here we've got the table, which can be put up front as well. Windows on either side, and that comes across like that. Now that is unusual. I'll slide back there like that, and there's the view looking down here. I've got a curtain which can, I actually occasionally do use the curtain even though there's no bed up here and up front, but in my case there is a bed up front, but that's if I can't be bothered to close the curtains at the very front for whatever reason. We've got storage under the fridge. In the washroom we've got two plugs for the shower. This will come out like that. And we have got also, I should close that, a sliding door. Thetford toilet here, and there's some storage in here as well. And a mirror. Flat floor until you get to the steps up into bed. And there's a roof window there as well. Did I show? I thought I showed them. I'm forgetting what I'm doing. Right, so there's two tellies, and this is a 2 telly van. So there's 2 of you who can watch separate things. Seems to me to be a wide door to get out. Oh, and it comes with a bin here and a place to leave your coat as you come in. And here we have a curtain, or blackout blind, more to the point. Got space for 2 gas canisters. Note that this system will come out by doing this and then pushing that out. I can't do it with one hand though. In here you will find that it's got a rather large garage, not bad for a 7-meter vehicle, or 699 centimeter to be more precise. The previous owner has put some hooks up there and some hooks also at the other side. That is for the awning. So I'll show you this door as well. There you go, there's a look from this side. There's your fuses. Hook up. The reason I said aha is because, well, there's your sewage, your cassette toilet, and here we've got this is the service box. And so you've got here, you can open or close your drainage valve, so your fresh water valve, or your dirty water valve, and grey water, that is. And here we've got the Truma frost guard. I've done a separate video on how the frost guard actually works. Now, so it's semi-integrated, and let's now have a look at some of the features. So I normally do this at the beginning of the video, but this time I chose to do it at the end. So what have we got there? Amount of kilometers it's got on the engine size. So it's first registered on the 29th of May 2020, and it's got nearly 21,000 on the clock. Automatic gearbox. Oh, I forgot this. It's over 500 kilos of payload, and it's got a new TÜV, which is MOT certificate, roadworthiness certificate. So these are the features it's got, and nothing really out of the ordinary there except for the solar, which will come with it. Obviously it's a used vehicle, so you expect solar with a used vehicle. You don't expect it with a new vehicle as a rule. It's probably just as well like that, because that way you can choose what you actually want. And okay, 4-wheel drive, and what's that called in English? rear air suspension. Sorry, there you go. You see, I forget words. And good. So there you have it. That is available right now, as are a number of other used vehicles here. Most of them are ex-rental models. This one, of course, isn't. But should you be interested in something like that, then the contact details are below, and you can contact the company directly for more information should it be necessary. But for the moment, from me in Germany, thanks very much for watching.